Huaheng, the market leader of automatic welding and cutting system in China. We manufacture advanced and high-technology system of orbital welding, mechanized welding, Pipespool prefabrication system, robotic integrated system, CNC cutting, and automatic warehouse and logistics system. MMHE, known as the largest offshore and marine services provider in Malaysia, has engaged Huaheng to set up the first full-range Pipespool prefabrication system, which is located in Pasir Gudang Port, Johor Bahru. Cut and bevel machine. Huaheng manufactures cut and bevel machines to fit different sizes of pipe. 2 to 14-inch pipe will cut and bevel in an all-in-one machine, while 8 to 24-inch pipe cut and bevel in separated machine. Cut and beveling features: operation panel, operator setting parameter, auto length measurement, clamping. 2 to 14-inch machine features 2-in-1 machine of cut coolant feeding and beveling, bandsaw machine, RGV pipe moving, tool bit feeding, beveling. We have a conveyor system to transport cut and beveled pipe to the fit-up station. Fit-up machine. Huaheng fit-up machine can process pipes with different variable sizes. The fit-up process includes pipe to pipe, pipe to fitting, elbow flange T, and fitting to fitting. Huaheng fit-up machine is capable to fit up pipe up to the size of 60 inches. These fit-up machine features: flange positioning, up, down, pipe supporter roller height adjustment, table motion, turning left, right, up, down for easy handling, inching adjustment. Welding machine. By using jib crane, we move the pipe from fit-up station to welding station. Huaheng manufactures automatic Pipespool welding machines with supporting process of TIG hot TIG, MIG MAG, SAW for carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel, etc. These welding machine features: equipped with operational programming which can save up to 99 welding parameter, U-clamp for easy loading and unloading process, auto clamp and self-centralized, TIG with AVC function to ensure the high-quality full penetration root pass with zero-gap fit-up preparation, OSC function and servo motor driving wire feeder, auto switching welding process for TIG, MIG, SAW, TIG MIG welding capping process based on approved WPS. Software. Huaheng machine are enabled by the integration of software for fast and efficient workflow. This is possible with the help of production planning system, operating nearby the station for barcode scanning, enabling productivity with its joint check online live update. These operation strength lies on the limitless distance of operating for easy monitoring and reporting. Huaheng has a strong service team to provide after-sales service and preventative maintenance. Huaheng. We think, we solve, we drive forward.